to pray for those who are at the altar. Almighty God, you know the fragments of their life, oh God, and you want to put it back together. Lord, you want to fix the pieces to the puzzle together. But oh God, if they would just allow you to fix it. Almighty God, as I look to you this afternoon, oh God, I pray for those at the altar. I pray, Holy One of Israel, that you will come through for them. You know their challenges. You know what they face. You know what you've invested in them and they have left it, Almighty. You know. So I pray, Almighty God, this afternoon that you will cover them and they will